thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a terrific Tuesday. So I am really excited because one of my favorite subscriptions has come in, and that is the November. We are in November, y'all. November 2019 Luxury Divas box. So I'm going to briefly go over what Luxury Divas is if you are not familiar. First, I do again want to say thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Also, guys, don't forget we have quite a few giveaways going on. We still have our 6,000 subscriber giveaway going on, the Jeffree Star Mystery Box giveaway. They will all be linked down below. So definitely check them out and enter if you have not already. But Luxury Divas. So this is the LD accessories box, like I said, for November 2019. And when they say accessories, they literally mean accessories from head to toe, like hats to sandals and everything in between. Makeup, clothing, sunglasses, earrings, necklaces, bracelets, wallets, all of it, y'all. Purses, scarves, socks. It's everything you could think of. It is always so amazing, and I'm still going to say, I know I've said this the last couple of months because a few months ago we got some black leggings. I don't need to say anything else, right? Black leggings and a subscription? Yes. So Luxury Divas is $30 a month if you sign up for the subscription, or you can purchase a one-time box for $35. Now, I do have a promo code, which I will put down below with a link. If you use the link and that promo code, you can save $5. And it does apply to the one-time purchase, so you can get the one box for $30. Or if you sign up for the subscription, your first box will be $25. So like I said, that link and promo code will be down below. But let's get in here and see what we got for November. I'm so excited. So it does come in an outer mailer, which I just take off. So let's open her up and see. All right, so it looks like we have a little something extra here. We'll look at that in just a second. But this is how it comes. There is always a handwritten note from your stylist, whoever curates your box for you. And there is always the little LD Insider pamphlet in the box as well. And then this is what you see. It's nicely wrapped up. There is an information sheet in there that will tell us about all of our items. But let's read our note and see who my stylist was this month. It looks like it was Ariel. Now, she has not styled my box before, so I'm excited to see what she did. And she said, hey, Nikki, this month's collection theme is thankful and grateful and is always inspired by you. This box comes with warm wishes and cozy layers. I'm not going to read too much else because it looks like actually she's telling me some of the items. I hope you love working these beauties into your wardrobe. Best wishes, Ariel. Y'all, what other subscription company hand writes a note every single month? Whoever your stylist is literally hand writes a note and puts it in your box. You don't see that. You don't. And then we have the LD Insider here. And it will go over, sometimes the products that are in here are products that may be in the box, or they may be products just listed on their website, because that is one other thing. You can use the link below to go to their website, because if there's anything in here that you see that you like, you can purchase it directly from their website, in addition to hundreds of other items from past boxes, items that haven't even been in boxes. They have so many different things on their website, so check that out as well. Let's take a look. So this says, this is the time of year that we reflect on what we are most grateful for. This holiday season, we are incredibly thankful to have you as a part of our LD Box family. Thank you. So this is that. They usually put some kind of little treat, like it could be a snack or something. It looks like maybe this month this was our little bonus. And I can already tell this is super cute. And it has the little Luxury Divas tag, but it's like a cute little Christmas bracelet. That is so adorable. I love that it has the little dangly Christmas tree. So pretty. All right, so let's get into the box. So here you can see we have our sheet that goes over everything that we have. It does tell us our total retail value for the box, which this month, again, the Thankful and Grateful November 2019 edition, looks like the total retail for my box is $115. And this is one thing I love. They won, y'all, 2019 Best Women's Fashion Box. So congratulations again to them for that. I know that they definitely earned it. So let's get in here and see what we got. So the first item I see, I am really actually excited about because it is starting to actually get chilly here in North Carolina. And the first item is a set of mittens. And y'all, they're so cute. Like, and these feel nice. Like they're gonna keep your hands super warm. And they even have the little Luxury Divas little button on each of them. They're so cute. So this says Blue Snowflake Knit Gloves. A wintry snowflake print lends a festive exterior while a warm and cozy fleece lining makes these adorable gloves the perfect cold weather accessory. Our signature LD plaque finishes them off. And they could have come in black and white, blue, beige, or burgundy. And they are $15. So let's see, is that why they feel so thick? Yes, y'all, they are. You see in there, they're lined with white fleece. Those are gonna be so nice and toasty when it is like really cold outside. So yay. All right, then let's see. What is this? I don't know. Whatever this is like so soft. What is this? This is a black faux fur infinity scarf. Luxuriously soft and indulgently cozy, this vegan fur infinity scarf promises to add a touch of elegance to your fall or winter ensemble. It could have come in black, gray, ivory, or burgundy, and it is $23. So it literally is, you just like slide it over. I'm not going to right now because I'm actually having a decent hair day. But I don't have a faux fur infinity scarf, and I like that. That's different. I really like this, and I can definitely see where it would be like, it's just cozy. I love this, and I love that it is in black because that obviously would go with anything. But y'all, how gorgeous is that? And here it does have their little logo. Yes, I will love this. I will love this, love this, love this. Okay, so I have a hair on me. Then we have y'all, this box is just like warm and cozy vibes. Non-skid soft knit slipper socks. So they literally have that on there. Perfect for lounging around or when your feet need a comfort break. These soft knit slipper socks are the best. Easy on and off design. Each pair features non-slip pads on the sole. Pack a pair of these to wear when visiting homes that make you take shoes off when entering. They could have come in blue, black, brown, or gray, and they are $8. So awesome. And these, again, I'm getting such cozy vibes. All right. Then we have, this looks like a set of nail polish, two nail polishes. Sheet makeup nail lacquer, so it looks like we have two. The pink one is Pearl Rose, and then this is copper. All right, so achieve the perfect manicure with this double pack of nail polish that surely suits your every mood. When trying to achieve the perfect manicure, remember less is more. 3 swipes of nail polish is all you need to coat your nail in your favorite color. And this is a $12 value. Those are really, really pretty shades. And this copper is stunning for this time of year. Love it. Love it. All right. And then, oh, this is cute. Then we have, it looks like a little wallet. And look, it's got like a little tassel, and then it has this little gold heart. That is cute. Black trifold square wallet with tassel. High polished gold tone hardware gleams against the faux leather composition of this handy compact trifold wallet that keeps your cash and cards well organized. It could have also come in burgundy or gray, and it's $18. This is literally like the perfect size. It has a little foam in there. So obviously if you have cash, you stick it in there, place for your ID, and then some other slots. This is just super cute. We are actually going here in just a couple of weeks to Mississippi to a casino and resort. So this little guy will come in handy for that because it's just compact and you can put exactly what you need. And all I'll need is my money and my ID. So this is great. I love that it's just chic and the tassel, and that just gives it an extra little pop. All right, so it looks like, it looks like we have one more item. Yes, one more item. All right. And this is a black knit ruffled edge shawl. Our beautifully knit shawl is perfect for crisp evening strolls, a day at the office, or any occasion that calls for an added layer of warmth to keep the chill away. Our signature LD plaque and elegant ruffled edge finish off this cool weather masterpiece. This could have come in black, white, beige, brown, red, gray, or purple. It is $39. I'm glad I got black. And let's see. Y'all, this is stunning, okay? This is just, can we stop for a second? Because this is just so beautiful. Here's their logo right there. But this is literally like the coziest, just like the ruffles. Is this just not like the cutest? I love this. Oh my God, I love this so much. So we got this gorgeous shawl, which will definitely add an extra layer and help keep us warm in the fall and winter. We got the cute little mittens, the slipper socks, the faux fur infinity scarf, which I think is really unique. I have not seen one of those, and I'm excited to be able to wear that. The adorable wallet, the 2 nail polishes, and then the little bonus item that was this cute little bracelet. Y'all, this was such a great box, and I think for November, they hit the nail on the head. I love this. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put that link and that promo code if you'd like to sign up. Also, again, remember you can use the link just to get to their site and purchase individual items if you would like. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.